Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Today I'm going to show you how to paint a palm tree silhouette landscape for beginners using acrylic paints. Here's what you'll need: ultramarine blue, yellow, crimson, black and white acrylic paint. I like to use the primary colours in black and white. You can create most colours with these. I'm also using the brand Jo Sonia, but any acrylic paint will do. You'll also need a large flat brush, small flat brush, and a fine round pointed brush for detailing. I'm using acrylic paper and taping it down to my workspace so it doesn't slide around while I paint, and to get crisp lines around the edge. You can also use stretch canvas, a wooden board, fabric or any surface you'd like to paint. You'll also need a palette, jar of water and paper towel to clean your brushes. Here's how to paint a palm tree silhouette landscape. Start off by mixing white, blue and red to make a light purple. My ratio was roughly 2 parts white, 1 part red and 1 part blue. Sometimes it takes a while to get your colour just the way you want it, so keep adding colour and mixing until you get it right. Then add a couple of drops of water to your mixture. This helps your paint go further and apply smoother. I mix the paints together with my brush, then wipe it a few times to remove the excess paint within my brush. Paint the top half of your surface in purple using the large flat brush and horizontal strokes. Next we're making a lighter purple. Grab a scoop of the purple you just made and add an equal scoop of white to it. I also add a little bit of blue. Add a few drops of water and mix together, wiping the excess off your brush. Using the large flat brush, paint the next quarter of your surface in light purple using horizontal strokes, moving upwards into the bottom section of your dark purple. The wet dark purple paint underneath should start to mix with the light purple applied over the top. Once you use all the paint in your brush, use horizontal strokes and continue to move upwards into the dark purple to blend the two colours together to make a gradient. If you're finding it hard to blend the two colours together, clean your brush and wipe it dry, then lightly run across where the dark and light purple connect, moving up and down, blending the wet paint together. Once you've done that, we're going to make a light orange. Grab a scoop of white, yellow and a little bit of red. Red is a really strong colour and can overpower colours like white and yellow easily. Mix these colours together, adding a few drops of water to your paint and wiping the excess off your brush. Now we're going to follow the same steps as the light purple using the large flat brush. Paint just below your light purple using horizontal strokes, moving upwards into the light purple, blending the two colours together. If you're having trouble blending the two, clean and dry your brush, then go over the places you want to blend with horizontal strokes. For the ground silhouette, we're using just black and a few drops of water and your medium flat brush. Fill the bottom fifth of your surface in with black paint, making sure you leave a crisp black edge. The water you added to the paint helps create this crisp edge. Next we're painting the palm tree silhouettes. Where you paint your trees doesn't have to be exactly the same as mine. Grab your small detail brush and use your watered down black paint to draw a thin, lightly curved line. Then thicken up the bottom half of the line to create a tapered tree trunk. Paint short curved lines coming out from the top of the tree trunk in all directions. These are your branches. Then add some downward feathered strokes coming off the underneath side of each branch. Focus mainly on the tip of the branches as this is where they are most bulky. Make sure the feathered strokes curve pointing downwards, especially for the top branches. I also add a little blob underneath where the branches come out, just to mimic where coconuts would grow. Repeat this process for the rest of the trees, making sure you place them in irregular spots and giving each tree a varied amount of branches. Your brain automatically wants to make patterns, so try and go against that and place them as randomly as possible to make them look natural. Also try to use different sized trees. The larger the tree, the closer it is to you. I add a few clusters of smaller trees in mine to mimic trees in the distance. Keep adding as many as you like until you're happy. I also added some birds in the sky. You can choose to do that if you like, or anything you want really. A plane, UFO, it's up to you. And now you're done. Thank you for watching my painting tutorial on a palm tree silhouette landscape for beginners. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you painted this landscape and would like to share it on socials, make sure you use the hashtag Shannon MacDonald Art so I can see your beautiful creations. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more painting tutorials or follow my socials using the links in the description below to see all the art I create. See you next time.